Hey team, TRC just made me aware of something and you need to know it as soon as possible because you're going to have to tell the missionaries starting tomorrow. So, starting tomorrow, we are going to be the ones that inform the missionaries of their TRC referral appointments. So, every Friday, you'll need to do this. And so, I'm going to show you what you need to do. You'll go to Google for Education, go to the areas section, then you're going to go to Rob Stevenson, the TRC manager. You got to be logged in, of course. And then you're going to go to either Steven Nelson or Josh Higgins. Click on their face. Then you're going to go to the teachers section. And then they just created this new spreadsheet called TRC Teaching Assessments. And so you just open it up. Sorry, my computer's being slow. I have too many things open. But you'll have the classroom number here, the district here, what week they're on, and you'll notice that there are current weeks and upcoming weeks. So you can click on any of these and it will show you where your missionaries are. So this will be helpful for us, but also for the missionaries. So on Friday, tomorrow, you'll scroll down till you find 34 or 40 or 41. So we'll take 41 as an example. So whoever the teacher is in 41B, you should read to them who their people are. Now this is this week, of course, but you'd go to one of these tabs, find the missionary, tell them what time their appointment is, what days, and then you can read them their bios. Make sure you do this or else the missionaries won't know where to go. If you have any questions, you can always ask me or Steven or Josh and we can help you out.